John Maxwell Hindi Primary and High School states sit and demanding eviction of non-local fruit vendors from the footpath in front of the school. In BJP in Congress, corporators of IMC allege its mayor of misappropriating large amount of council's fund. Anti-corruption cell to be approached for an inquiry. State Fisheries Department introduces Japanese organic aquaculture technology to produce 10% organic fishes in the state. Confederation of Indian Tribal Entrepreneurs Manipur chapter program under Startup India will revitalize tribal entrepreneurs, says Minister N. Keishi. And SP Imphal West Traffic Police says implementation of ban on entry of diesel auto rickshaws in Greater Imphal is not an immediate one. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangcham bringing you the top stories. Teachers and students of Bhairodan Maxwell Hindi Primary and High School in Thangal Bazaar stage a sit-in against the non-Manipuri setting of fruit stalls at the footpath in front of the school, creating disturbance in academic atmosphere of the school today. Speaking to media persons, headmistress of the school, Khairapam Sunita, expressed disappointment that despite their repeated complaints regarding the same to the minister concerned, IMC and the police authorities remained silent. She said the students are facing a lot of inconveniences while coming to the school at the narrow lane after the footpath was closed with the fruit vendors occupying the space. Sunita also maintained that the noise made by the fruit vendors while transacting business throughout the year hinders the students' concentration, and besides the dumping of spoiled fruit into the drain has affected the health of the students. The headmistress drew the attention of the authority concerned to evacuate the non-locals fruit vendors and make alternate arrangements for them. It may be mentioned that students' wing of and women's wing of JCILPs have warned them to shift their stalls set up by blocking the footpath and the drainage. However, the non-locals fruit vendors are being guarded by the police personnel for their safety.
School gi akoi beda haira yon silakpana maram oiraga angang singyu larik tambada yamna akai be pirakpa India government na angang singju masa mau phana leina bagi damakta koi rubela ge hida kaptana yamna wana hona jaringe gi marak sida gi school gi wan jimakta da haira yon jandara khanjandana school gi beautification loina manghandana roko makhoina tawreiba mayam si akoi school da mahi masing tambada yamna khudong cha daba ama oire adugi mathakta footpath sida angang makhongna lakadab se makhoina pot paira pairaga phamjale gari gi marak sida park tawba marak sida larik tamba yadre mahur minister Imphal municipality akhone sia karak thajagre ngasi bo marakta kari mata kia lobirakte satra singsi phanana bagi school lingbiri bra natraga haira yomare hena maru oibra haibasi akhoi miyeng sanghaningi school gi akoi beda haira yon
mafam asida nan pusinga sahi ke agi mabangdagi miyam na sanari ba mangdu ubiri ba footpath asigi mathakta haira yondra sahi chupa lerakpa matam asi maikai ke adagi loop ke adagi mairoi loop ke ana maroina JCILPS student wing amadi women wing na numit kharani gi mamangda hariba mafam asidagi haira yombagi thongo si jathadna ba amadi mafam hongdokina ba khangan gwa laikhrabani adu ngasi bawba hariba nan manipuri singna mafam asidi jonjaliba haira singa si lokthok ba amadi yothok lokthok bagi mahuta adum phamjalaga leiri loirena manipur leingakna hiram asida kari thab lokhol katege haina miyamna ngaidari cherakta security force Tamduna mafam sida irang thoktra ba jingak seli cameraman Chukham Chubaskaloira Pagdum Jariba RC Mangangcha Impact News Thangal Bazar.
On the other hand, JCILP's women's wing expressed disappointment that they were not allowed to meet Mayor of IMC when they went to discuss the eviction of these street fruit vendors near Bhairodan School in Thangal Bazaar today. Speaking to media persons at its office at Keshampad, convener of JCILP's Women Wing, Subject Shabam Memcha Laima asserted that the Chief Minister's assurance to pass the ILP bill is not trustworthy considering the conduct of the government providing security to the non-local vendors. She expressed apprehension that opening of vendors at the lane, which hardly has room for 2 persons, will harm the moral and dignity of the women folks in the state. Memcha also questioned how the Labour Department is collecting 20 rupees per day from non-local vendors and asked if it is the duty of the IMC or the Labour Department. It may be mentioned that JCILP's Women's Wing has earlier confiscated Aadhaar cards of 13 non-local vendors during a drive in the area.
Birena, ILP bill passed of Gani Haidana di Lautoki Adubo. Haiba Tauriba Mawang Matau, Mana, Nanman Birisimo, Police Natana, Moji Security, Pete and Tamibasina di Aquina, Haiba Magi bill passed of Gani Haibase, Aquita Tajaba Pokte, Aduna Maramarkanda, Atuba Matamda, Haiba, Mapam Singasida, Sarkana, me and Sangadamani, Aduga, Ladiba, Hayon Bamase, Karigumatam, Amata, Hetama Masi Aquina, me and Sangani.
18 BJP and Congress corporators of Imphal Municipal Council alleged the mayor of council, Laishangbam Lokeshwar, for misappropriating large amount of council fund and maintained that they will approach the anti-corruption cell to conduct an inquiry. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, Deputy Mayor of Imphal Municipal Council, Gaidon Kame, said a normal house meeting of the council was held today and the resolution containing agenda of previous house meeting was distributed at today's meeting. He said the 18 corporator walked out of the meeting without attending the Zero House as controversy rose at the meeting. Gaidon said the council inspected a parking lot of the agents under IMC. However, it was found out that some unauthorized agents with invalid license were collecting parking fees. He said there is a big question on where the collected fees have gone, but the IMC has not taken any action. Besides, the IMC rented bulldozer at 7,67,800 rupees, despite the council has its own excavator and bulldozer. Gaidon alleged that the corporators are being misguided by the act. He maintained that all the expenditure of the council should be approved by the house beforehand. The deputy mayor alleged the commissioner and the mayor of misappropriating fund of the council without approval of the house. He also alleged that the mayor is still unable to produce the expenditure statement of Sangai Festival 2017. Gaidon maintained that the corporators of BJP and Congress have resolved to approach anti-corruption cell against the violation of IMC Act guideline.
अखोई हाउस की एक की गाइडलाइन दी DDO मयूरसना एक्सपेंडिचर की पावर लेबसे ओनली 10,000 दनी अदुबु मोय अदु खंखंगना था मंगा की एक्सपेंडिचर से हाउस अप्रूव तौदना यूज तौरम पोसे सम क्रोर फन्याम दि तौरे अदुना असि पोसे अखोई ट्रानी पाना ngasi ड्राप तौरगा हयंगमक CBI दा एंटी करप्शन सेंटर अखोई सिनबा हाइबसे अखोई वरेप लौरे सांगाई की 2017 नवंबर डेट 21 की 30 फाउ चथकिबा एक्सपेंडिचर से नवंबर की अखोई स्टेटमेंट पिरो हाइबसे ngasi फाउ पिबा सुंगम ngमदबा असिनी मनुंगी एजेंडा से कै लेगे हाइबसे अखोई खंब ngमदबा अखोइना मास्टर रोन की लिस्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेसिस न 100 डेज की वाइरिबा लिस्ट से ngasi फाउ पिउ हाइबसे सही से फनिया.
The Fisheries Department for the first time introduced Japanese organic aquaculture technology effective microorganic to fish farmers of the state today. Commissioner of the Fisheries Department T. Palmai was hopeful that 7% organic fishes can be produced in the state with the new technology. The Japanese technology was introduced at the 3-day workshop on organic aquaculture jointly organized by the Fisheries Department and Maple Orktech India Limited at Panthoy Bishanglan in Lumphill today. Experts from Kolkata-based Maple Orktech India Limited demonstrated the new technology for organic fish farming at the workshop. Speaking to media persons, Commissioner T. Palmai asserted that people of this generation long to consume organic products for health benefits. He said departments concerned are making necessary efforts for the production of organic products in the state. Palmai said considering that the fish-loving population of the state now wish to eat organic fishes for health benefits, the Fisheries Department has initiated to introduce the Japanese technology for organic aquaculture to fish farmers of the state.
Asiki technology hai Japan dagi scientists amana puthok saba masi widely used all over the world. 160-70 countries have the EM technology used already. EM technology da moi pesticides, chemical fertilizers, amasung adung ba phattaba amaho sinadre. Only organic method. Howjik Japan mayam khangri one of the healthiest country in the world. effective microorganisms se akoina ising mot pada fishery thadadraga asi microorganism na ko khoigi mahik hai tare afaba mahik sizinaraga ising sengdokpa.
Tribal Affairs and Health Minister Kaishi has asserted that Confederation of Indian Tribal Entrepreneurs Manipur Chapter Program under Startup India will revitalize the local entrepreneurs, especially the tribes of Manipur. He appealed to the people of every tribal communities to avail the benefits of the program and help in boosting the economy and bring a developed society. The minister was speaking at the launch of Confederation program at Imphal Hotel, organized by Department of Tribal Affairs and Health today. He said there has been no measures to provide a means of income to skilled people who want to generate self-employment. The minister said awareness should be raised on non-political program under the leadership of Union Ministers, Tribal Affairs, Jewel Oram, among the tribal people to avail the benefit. Kaishi also assured that the department will also give out all efforts to promote the local entrepreneurs.
Such offer to develop the local entrepreneurs to start up their vision and interest with the support to actualize them into realities. Oftentimes, the tribal entrepreneurs are helpless without the required support, knowledge, skill and resources left by themselves alone. This initiative will surely help the people of Manipur and particularly for the tribal people.
Taking part in the event by Chairman of Manipur State Disaster Management Authority, MSDMA Adin Palmay, said the program will help in boosting the economy of the tribal people who have been financially backward to a large extent. He termed it unfortunate that despite a program launched by the central government 2 years ago, the previous Congress government did not fully implement it in the state. Adin Palmay also stressed the importance of forming a committee to raise awareness on the program at the earliest.
Last many years, Congress ki regime dagina is a troubles market oiraga laiba adu magi ekhoi gi honorable minister na lakpa matamda trouble adu sort it out tawkre. I'm very much appreciate regarding this issue. For the last many years, our tribal market is a troubles market. But after the coming of this our proactive minister, the problem has been solved. But still, he needs to be concentrate some part of the this organization, the committee. Tribal market haina kauribasi trouble market oiramba asi hojikti tribal market asengba oigadore. Let us remove the trouble market and let us put.
SP Imphal West Traffic Police Kushnam Sharma has asserted that the new policy of traffic regulation and parking committee does not put a total ban on the entry of auto rickshaws in Greater Imphal. He maintained that the government sets an aim to reduce the number of auto rickshaws to reduce noise pollution, especially at Samumakong and Waheng Leikai area. Kushnam Sharma was speaking at the Silver Jubilee celebration of Oripokangchup Road Auto Rickshaw Owners and Drivers Cooperative Society Limited at Naram Tongkolem Leikai, Bol Lampa Community Hall today. The SP said a new policy which was decided at a meeting of the Traffic Regulation and Parking Committee chaired by the Chief Minister will come into effect only after diesel auto rickshaws can be replaced by CNG auto rickshaws to combat air pollution. On the other hand, she said, many drivers of these commercial vehicles do not register to union recognized by the government and are plying on the road without license and permit, taking advantage of the poor legal systems in the state.
Auto changaloi habanate chilliba jaga sing sida akogi pollution handanaba aduga auto sing si akoi authentic oiba auto si auto akoina pollution handaba auto yam lei akoi chinanau sing adum khangbiram gani akogi chaukat city sing dadi akoi compressed nitrogen gas CNG auto kaidana lei adugumba oibe aba pollution lei taba makhon thok taba akoi any alternative transport amal leira akanda tawgadaba thabakni ngasimak hekta lepnaraga hayengmak hekta auto thingadaba gisu leite akoi matam time span leigini aduna akogi means of livelihood si kamai to no thoka dage haibagi poche masu khanana bage dum matik saba matam leiri.
Speaking at the sidelines, Assistant Secretary of Uripo Kangchup wrote Auto Rickshaws Owner and Drivers Cooperative Society Limited, Irengbam Balakanta urged to the government to hold a decision to ban on the entry of diesel auto rickshaws in Imphal city for at least 2 years if possible. He said auto rickshaws driver has purchased their vehicles with much difficulties and urged for some time to find another means of livelihood. Advisor of Amju and Tombiraj, DTO Imphal West, THD Nachanda, President Uripo Kangchup Road Auto Rickshaw Owners and Drivers Cooperative Society Limited, Nepram Tondon, and members of the society were among those present at the event.
Diesel auto se koina wana mingonda ge paisa puraga leijaruba amadi loan tum lauraga leijaruba amadi hingon bandhana tham तौरगा लेजरुब सिंग से असुगम रेस्ट्रिक्शन से लाख पतारगा दे कोई कमाई तौदुना मी के पैसा से कोई सिंगम ngam कराई दगी लौरगा कोई सिंगदोइनो हाइबो वखलोन से कोई द सममनब अवावा कयाम मायोंग नै सोसाइटी की माइकै दगी अपील तौजनिंग बदी मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट दा कोइना अपील तौजनिंग बदी हुजिक लौरिबो डिसिजन से सही अमा नत्रगा अनि गुंबा एक्सटेंड तौबिरगा दे कोइना मसिदगी अर्निंग तौजरागा कोइना मखोगी कोइना लौजरिबो अमाउंट सिंग से सिंगदोकपा ngamnanaba होना जबगी खुदोंग साबा दो पिबिओ हाइदुना मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट दा इना अपील तौजरी
Loktak Development Authority Retrans MR Employees and Workers Association called attention of the authority concerned to give priority to 148 downsized LTA employees who worked for LTA from 1995 to 2001 during fresh recruitment in the LTA. General Secretary of the Association, Taurim Rabi, told media persons during a press meet at Manipur Press Club today that LDN Workers Association signed a memorandum of understanding in 1995 agreeing upon no fresh recruitment until the existing 417 workers are regularized. However, 148 workers were included in the 2001 downsizing. Rabi said as per court's order in 2009, it instructs to prefer the retrans workers in the fresh recruitment for LDA if the budget approves. He condemned that despite the court's order, LD has recruited staffs on contractual basis, sidelining the 148 workers. Rabi warned of intense agitation if the authority concerned fails to look into the matter by May 10th.
Access over department could access over staff look to wife. Access over staff look to wives in a access over the Ecoise, Quay directors and Lotoki by that. I agreement agreement and bound to Ecochi Lotoki. Other Ecoisi case or some lack Panimatam to the call. Case or some Lacosan 2009 the Aqui corner or am PB. P is in a Carmina P. Harga, Carigma department and Palati Harvanina. Paleraga Tabahapakanda, Ecoisi Hana pass priority Pigatum. I do give Matuna Ecoisi what is Hanaraga Lacosan na court order of Pangana Hapaka, they would case away, strike away. I told the two Moina Matamgi, Mapam to give a meeting near Tabak Suri department. My madam de Akoya, Minamo, Sumapung Padre department, no more better. I don't know, see a Quina Punduk charity. Live Namegi Tang Tarase. Megitarang Tarasi Manunda, a quiggy demand, a quiggy Pangham Topa demands, carrying a pidragati, Matangin Mitang Taraga, Matoi, the Giakoi strike a Muhana Makasa Targan.
MLA of Kura Assembly constituency, El Sucindro inaugurated a canal constructed to curb inundation on the northern side of Tinsit Road in Kurai constituency today. Speaking at the event, MLA Sucindro said the canal constructed under MLA Local Area Development Fund will now ease the people of the area from fear of water loggings during monsoons.
Atopa design nama haibtare akoi breeze leiriba thong makong jingsida akoi shutter jing palakanda maduna matam gi oiboina akoi aduma plan ama taunaba na akoina masigi dam jing ase lothopane masina akoi gi permanent solution ama polakadra na akoi ising chawbogi maduma kanosi akoina honajabane na akoi media thong da phongdok chari aduna public sing na so hairiba dam sing ase lothopada mateng pangbiu aduga miyam gi any tung da tholakadaba haibadi miyam gi tungi Kanbiraganda Masum Magano Singsi Akoi Evik Toksi.
Emir of Nariak Pakang Lakpa Assembly constituency as Subhash Chandra inaugurated an office of Mayra Pipe Association at Konjeng Lakpok Lakpa Manning Leka in the constituency today. Speaking at the event organized by Konjeng Lakpo Lakpam Manning Lekai, Mayra Paibi and people in the area, the MLA said, the Mayra Paibi members in the state played an active role in safeguarding society, especially the youth, since time immemorial. He noted that even today, Mayra Paibi members in every locality are saving the youth from the temptations of intoxicants. Subhash Chandra expressed hope that the Mayra Paibi Sanglen inaugurated today will provide a platform for the women in the area to safeguard the youth.
Maira sang asigi mapandagi lekai asigi naron singje masama uphana neitingjang gaijang dana lairik laisu da mangjin dhana chokutpa dugumba nungai yaipaba lekai ma purakpada imai benjing chuba thodang do punna lominnabada aikoi bu sumateng pangmagi tanja do pibi nabagi damakta en amukan apil tawjabag loinana kendra sigi awang thangba maigai da semgat saglai ba singje aikoi lampolom lekai gi maira paibi imai benjing gi chuba sojo ama phangbi pinabi base masigi damakta aina lekai asigi maira paibi ima ibel ichen punamakta aina thagapramadi nungai jabado phongdok.
Health Minister L. Kumar has extended financial assistance to the surviving family members of Thangtam Joy Shankar from Kashampat Ahibam Laikai, who died along with 2 daughters after sustaining injuries in an accident that occurred at Rangpung in Mau Maram on April 26. Thangtam Joy Shankar died on the spot while his daughter Thangtam Christina died at Raj Medicity yesterday. It may be mentioned that late Joy Shankar, his wife and daughter left for Guwahati in their personal vehicle on April 23rd for medical treatment. Altogether, 5 individuals sustained injuries in the accident, out of which Joy Shankar and his daughter succumbed to injuries.
Pibam luna dum masu treatment tawi bane dum adu puna maksi shorna sumtho wan sinmani yadna haibnatana gati later habitai akoi yebu awa bri share to minawa masu kun ngamjab mateng pangba bising sarkar degi kai lobi apale gen haibdu khoni kuchin chilagi yeng manatana to pai later habitai.
Bishnupur District Village Defence Force VDF Welfare Association in a press release said that the association donated 1 lakh rupees to family members of late BDF Chirom Raju from Moirang Kunau, who died from an illness. 25 Assam Rifles and Churachandpur District Police jointly arrested a person with arms today. The arrested person is identified as Lunmang Haukip alias Mark, son of Thongsei Haukip from B. Aijalong and Churachandpur. The seized arms were 1 MA3 MK2 rifle, 1 GSG 5P carbine and 1 M4A2 carbine. On a tip of the person of 25 Assam Rifles and Churachandpur police conducted a search operation at Lamajang village to B Ajailong village around 10 this morning. Lunmang Haukip was arrested in suspicion, but after verification and interrogation, he disclosed the whereabouts of the weapons. Lunmang disclosed that the weapons belonged to 1 Thangsei Haukip of B Ajailong village and were picked up from as Geltwe village. He is remanded in police custody for 8 days and manhunt for others are underway, according to a press release from SP Churachandpur District Police. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Bailey Bridge Construction Demand Committee of Sekmaijin Kunau and Pabokchau urging Chief Minister Brain to inspect and upgrade the deteriorating Litan Bridge. And keep watching Impact News. Welcome. After the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Bailey Bridge Construction Demand Committee of Sekmaijin Kunau and Pabokchau appealed to Chief Minister Biren to inspect and upgrade the deteriorating Litan Bridge during his visit at Konuma village in Lapupat, Komlakong of Imphal West District as a part of his Go to Village mission, which will be launched from May 1st. Secretary of the committee, Konthojo Manihar, told Impact News that the Litan Bridge located at Pabokchau in Hiyanglam constituency was constructed in 1972. The 46-year-old bridge is an important lifeline for the 2 constituencies of Hiyanglam and Mayang Imphal, commuting about 3,000 times on daily basis.
Hiyanglam Kendragi Sekmaijin Kunau Amadi Pabokchau da Sariba Lital Thong Hanging Bridge asi nasidagina sahi nifutaruk shure hariba thong asi maheuron ga jamna mari lainaba adugumlaba thong amani hariba thong asi sahi nifutaruk surba thong asi hoji ki marueba partsing amata yadre aduna soe ge maramaduna hayengi khungang chalo haiba minister gi khongchat ki singumba pandam sigi manung na hariba thong asi honorable chief minister na yengchin biramu haiduna parjagi muhursil aga
Students Students and teaching staff of Yumnam Huidrom High School and people in the vicinity staged a sit-in at a school in connection with the missing of Thiam Arvind Kumar alias Yaipaba, a class 8 student of the school. Arvind Kumar, a 13-year-old boy from Thiam Shangthim in Wangoi Assembly constituency, left home around 6:30 p.m. to watch Wangoi Lining Thausanamahi Haraupa on April 23rd, and he has not returned home since then. People at the sit-in appealed to help in finding Arvind Kumar.
Lai harau basa luke ima haragan numidang warangi pung taruk makai rom tab angang si thoki bani thoki ba thodok si khoi mama pa wai ba khoi di khangja hudaba na angang si gi mari makhong du thibang khangdana hoji pho kangau na dana cha chi gi lai di simangai adana mama pa wai ba khoi di cha ja thuba matam da sinaba.
Employees of State Veterinary Department and Manipur State Excise Department states sit-in at Sanjenthong and Lamphel in support of the resumed indefinite cease-work strike movement of JAC of All Manipur Trade Unions Council Amtuk and All Manipur Trade Government Employees Organization AMGO today. It may be mentioned that AMTOK and AMGO has been demanding implementation of 7 central pay commissioned in the state since 2016 and resume indefinite cease work from March 22nd this year. The agitation has entered the 40th day today. Labour's Welfare Union NHPC Manipur unit protested against the expelling of 47 labourers under National Hydropower Corporation NHPC Loktak project in front of NHPC office today. Taking part in the sit-in, President of the union, P. Kumarjit said 451 labourers have been working in association with contractors from time to time for the past 30 years and that the conduct of the authority removing the 47 labourers working under 2 new contractors is creating division between the labourers and the contractors.
Contractor ga aikoi ga marak ta singsep tharaga nungsina da basimbi gano sahi kuntra hena thabak torok laba labor sinda contractor kaya singre adubo labor di amata sindri ngasi phawda on record amata sindri why handak sindu maram karigina yaad raga di ekoi power minister phawba center phawba satkani yaad redna ekoi cb khongdang.
After conducting the 40-day state-level training program in longitudinal aging study in India, last National Survey for Manipur and Arunachal Pradesh since February this year, main survey in the field started today. 2 teams surveyed at Thongjan Singtamay Torban Khetri Laikai of Imphal East. Each team comprised of 1 supervisor, 1 health investigator, 2 female investigators and 2 male investigators. International Institute for Population Sciences Mumbai is a nodal agency for the survey held under the sponsorship of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. A special Gram Sabha as a part of the Ayushman Bharat Divas was held under the supervision of Pradhan and nominee of Hairo Part 2 Gram Panchayat under Wangjing Tentha CD block at the GP's Panchayat Ghar in Thaupal district to enlighten the people on Prime Minister Rashtriya Swasthya Suraksha Mission PMRSSM today. Experts spoke at the length on the mission. One-day awareness program on drug and its related issues, investigation of NDNPS cases and illegal poppy plantation in Manipur was held at Technopol District Police Headquarters, jointly organized by Technopol District Police, NAB and NCB today. SP, NAB Wathambasu and CB Inspector L. Bulte, SP Technopol and several officers of the Technopol District Police attended the event. One-day awareness cum sensitization program on self-help groups of Imphal West District was held at Lamyang Bashanglan in Palace Compound, organized by Self-Help Employment Voluntary Association SEBA today. SEBA presented stationery items to members of new self-help groups in Imphal West on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, General Manager of NABARD Manipur Regional Office Imphal P. N. Praveen Kumar said the status of Manipuri women is not only loaded in the country but throughout the world, and that women of the state plays a pivotal role in the society. He said the economical status of the women of the state is no lesser than men. The religious ritual Pakhangba Ching Hongba was held at Kangla, organized by Lining Thosanamahi Sanapung today. The ritual held on the 15th day of the month Kalin in Manipuri lunar calendar was performed by offering rice grain to Iputho Pakhangba, praying for the welfare of the society. People also took out a religious march past as a part of the ritual from Kangla via Koyathong Nagamapal, Samumakong, Pauna Bazaar, and back to Kangla. Kangla Religious Committee in Kangla Fort Board also organized a ritual at the shrine of Iputho Pakhangba at Kangla. Manipur Shaitya Parishad, Bishnupur District Branch celebrated its silver jubilee at Kiyamba Sanglan and Bishnupur today. The first Laisangthim Madhu Singh and Laisangthim Thambal Machadevi Memorial Sahitya Awards was announced on the occasion. President Manipur Shaitya Parishad Imphal, Professor Thoiding Tombi, President Manipur Shaitya Parishad Bishnupur District Branch L. Budhi Chandra were present, others at the celebration. Publicity Committee Corcom in a press release has greeted labourers of the state on the occasion of May Day. They appealed to the farmers and labourers to join hands and work together to bring about a united and developed society. Chief Minister Biren has also greeted the people of Manipur, especially the working class, on the occasion of International Workers' Day, which falls on May 1st. In his message, the Chief Minister stated that it is time to acknowledge the contributions of the working class in developed and economic growth of the country. All India Trade Union Congress Manipur State Committee in a press release has stated that the 128th May Day will be observed on May 1 at GM Hall. Imphal at 1 in the afternoon. The committee invited labourers in different fields to join the observance. All Manipur Gymnasium Welfare Association organized a warm reception for bodybuilders from the state who have participated and bagged prizes at various national and international bodybuilding championship events during 2017-2018 today. 36 bodybuilders, including 4 women and 32 men, who participated at the national events like Satish Sagar Championship, Junior Mr. India Federation Cup, and at the international events like Mr. Asia and Mr. World Championship, were felicitated at the reception held at Manipur Press Club. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, Minister Karam Shyam, ADGP and Minister India IPS P. Dongal, executive members of the association and eminent individuals from the state were among those present at the event. They lauded and blessed the players to bring more role in the future.
Any crime we want to sarkar like the current thing we gamani haibagi wakhan atom the intro machine we thong haibagi atam du oidre kuin harus je kan awareness be kali di misali pada tawai bakolai goji even charge ya so kali siendre kuin khanda ulai ngi goji matam sikila ibasinji masih atana control to ji se to ji hai taradi koi di semua body under terkait dengan orang yang berlibat, sana kono berfungsi berlibat, yoga berlibat yang sina coba daya dama, di sekarang semuting berlibat, hanya tangai kerana daya masih kuih power wakil.
Manipur Amateur Karate Do Association in the press release stated that Manipur Shotokan Karate team bagged 12 medals, including 5 gold, 2 silver, and 5 bronze medals at the 12th NSKF National Shotokan Karate Championship 2018 held from April 26 to 28 at Kala Khetra, Bojukajan in Assam. And before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Teachers and students of Bairodan, Maxwell Hindi Primary and High School states sit in demanding eviction of the non-local fruit vendors from the footpath in front of the school. "18 BJP and Congress corporators of IMC allege its mayor of misappropriating large amount of council's fund. Anti-corruption cell to be approached for an inquiry." State Fisheries Department introduces Japanese organic aquaculture technology to produce 100% organic fishes in the state. Confederation of Indian Tribal Entrepreneurs Manipur Chapter Program under Startup India will revitalize tribal entrepreneurs, says Minister N. Kaishi. And SP Imphal West Traffic Police says implementation of ban on entry of diesel auto rickshaws in Greater Imphal is not an immediate one.